Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So we're back today to show you how to use projection bands by Lazy Bear and VQI, Volatility Quality Index. So on my screen here, we have TradingView opened with Apple. So yeah, we'll just hop right into it. So we'll start with projection bands. Let me go ahead and hide that. Now this one's pretty simple. Like other indicators, both of these are free, by the way, just on TradingView. The closer the candle is to the top band here, the more likely it is to be overbought. So you could take that as a sell signal. And of course, at the bottom here, closer to the bottom of the band, or the lower band, it is a potential buy signal. So it means it's oversold. Now, keep in mind the width of the bands here. There's, it widens and it narrows down like this over here. So what that means, it's not bearish or bullish. It just means when it's wide like this, it's in favor of the trend. And when it's narrow, it's more of a sideways market and you should watch for a breakout. Now, as you can see here, it narrowed, but it went downwards. And we'll find another example where it's quite narrow, but it went up. So it's not necessarily bullish or bearish when it narrows. It just means there's a potential breakout. Now, when it widens, same thing. Doesn't mean it's bullish or bearish. It just means it's in favor of the trend. Now, that was nice and simple. Between the two, this one is more useful, but we'll go ahead and talk about the VQI now. Now, it's pretty simple. Green is bullish pressure, and red is bearish pressure. It depends on which VQI you use. This one's popular. The other one by Lazy Bear is popular as well. But green, bullish, red, bearish. Nice and simple. Now, during red charts like this, when the VQI is red, I would avoid any big trades. So just watch for essentially, if you see any sharp points like this, actually, it indicates there's a potential breakout, and you should watch for the direction confirmation. So when there's a sharp rise in the VQI, there is basically low quality volatility. Now, you want to avoid big trades. You just want to wait for the direction confirmation, if that makes sense. So green, that's where you can put in, bigger trades once you have your direction confirmation. But honestly, between these two, I would use projection bands. I would never really use VQI. It's free, but it's a lot of clutter for unnecessary reasons. There's a lot of free indicators out there that are much better than VQI. And honestly, it's a bit confusing. Just off this chart, you can see that it's not exactly accurate. And you would have had, if you're using VQI alone, you would have had a few losing trades. But yeah, so I'll be back to compare a few more videos. I know these were quite simple, but for the sake of posting a YouTube video, here I am showing you two indicators that you can use for free on TradingView. I hope at least one of you found value in that, and I hope you guys have a good day.